In this video, is August a ghost month for the crypto market? And on top of that, we are also going to answer, is it the best time to buy and enter into the Bitcoin market? Well, stay tuned to know more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah.
In this video.
So guys, we're training. Here. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs Cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And yeah, we are going to dive in within three different things dito sa ating video for today. We are going to talk about the short term. We are also then going to talk about the longer time frame. We are going to talk about what are we going to expect within the coming months. And then we want to understand, is it the best time to invest in the cryptocurrency market for the time being? Well, we are going to dive into those different areas for today's video. So now, let's dive into this Bitcoin analysis first for the very short term. So diba sa ating previous technical analysis, what we were monitoring was this broadening falling wedge, and traditionally that is a bullish pattern as long as we don't break the support area nito. So previously that was we were monitoring if we are going to hold the support. But yeah, look at that, di natin siya na hold, and then we did not do any trade kasi we don't have any swing tradable opportunities. We don't have any clear indicator sa ating mga indicators. So in that case, we did not open any trade as of the time being. And then makikita nyo yan actually guys sa aking copy trade account na wala talaga akong inopen na kahit anong trade for the time being. Kasi, di ba lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi, if wala naman kayo mata-trade, then tabi muna kayo at huwag nyo muna i-trade. Hanggat walang magandang opportunity na nakita sa market at walang clear indicator at walang confirm move, then we are not going to trade that movement. So as of the time being, wala pa akong trade for the time being dito with the Bitcoin price action. But ito yung aking next na titingnan dito with the Bitcoin price action. Kasi look at this, we are now starting to see that declining price dito kay Bitcoin. And then this is what we are going to monitor, which is the RSI. Kasi by this time, if let's say, the RSI started increasing within the coming hours, if let's say nangyari is the price declining while RSI is increasing, that is a traditional sign of a bullish trend reversal indicator. And that is going to indicate na we might see a bullish divergence. So traditionally, declining price with an increasing RSI is an indicator for a bullish trend reversal. So in that case, if we are going to see that movement, then of course, we are going to open a long position once we hit or once we form a bullish divergence. So ang mangyari dapat is the price must be declining. And in that case, if we are able to see that confirmation dito by seeing a green candle, then we are going to open a long position. And then we are going to target the previous resistance of around the 23,200 US dollars. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor within the very short term dito kay Bitcoin price, and that is in the early time frame. And as you can see, we are just merely consolidating pa din dito for the past few weeks. So for the time being, I'm not expecting any massive move yet. What I'm going to monitor are the divergences dito for the very short term kasi look at this, we don't have any clear signals for the time being yet. And take note guys, I'll be opening this position with Bybit, and if wala pa kang account with Bybit, just use my sign up link. You can find the description down below. Kasi if you're going to sign up with Bybit, you can actually take part with our copy trading account once we open the next trade. So for the time being na wala tayong trade, then abang-abang muna tayo. Pero if wala pang account with Bybit, take this opportunity to sign up right now, and you can find the sign up link in the description down below. So that is for the Bitcoin price action. Let's also dive in within this average profit and loss chart. Actually, last year, gumawa na tayo ng video discussing the average profit and loss chart. And this average profit and loss chart was actually gathered by getting the historical data. So ginawa natin is kinuha natin yung average price for the past few years. We manually plotted this chart into a table. And then from the table, we actually calculated the average PNL for the past 10 years. And then from there on, we converted this average PNL table into a bar chart. So this is what we got dito sa ating chart na to. What you can actually infer from this data is yung month na may pinakang konting return tayo for the whole crypto market is actually within the month of January, the month of June, the month of August, and the month of September. But the question is August a ghost month? Well, for me, if you're going to ask me, I would determine the ghost month yung pinakang or yung lowest return within the whole year. And if you're going to look at this chart alone, you can actually determine that the ghost month for the crypto market is actually September and not August. So, despite of the thing na naririnig natin within the whole crypto market, ang pinakang clear idea dito when it comes to understanding the ghost month is yung pinakang lowest return within the year. And as you can see from this chart alone, the lowest return of the year na makita natin would be around the month of September. Now, ibig sabihin nun, babagsak yung presyo at makikita natin siya ulit bumagsak within the coming months. And that would actually make sense because if you're going to look at this data, let's try to zoom in dito sa ating latest price action sa ating logarithmic growth curve na meron din tayo actually ganun data model. You can actually check out our other videos too regarding this logarithmic growth curve and other type of indicators na meron tayo. All you have to do is just to subscribe with our channel and then of course, hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos like this. But as you can see, we have been actually pretty much seeing a relief rally. So in that case, if we are going to see a September red month or September ghost month, then that would indicate na we are actually going to consolidate dito. Then makita tayo ng further drop dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. So in that case, we can actually see this consolidate further within this support and resistance areas ng ating logarithmic growth curve. So in that case, that could be an ideal move then if we are going to see a September red month, then that would actually correlate with the data na meron tayo dito sa ating logarithmic growth curve. So in that case, I don't think August is a ghost month. For me, ang ghost month talaga dito is the September month. And as you can see, if we are going to say na September is more likely going to be a red month rather than August, then that would indicate na the Bitcoin price in the weekly would actually more likely look like this. So as you can see, if let's say, pumatak tayo sa month of September, and as you can see, mas mababa siya, ang pwede kasi mangyari dyan is if let's say, nag-decline siya dito lalo further, at the same time, yung ating MACD is lalo umakyat, if let's say, ganun yung naging output niya. So take note, ito yung dubious speculation natin. Ang dapat makikita nating trend is the price is declining while the MACD is increasing. Then that could be a potential bullish divergence dito sa ating MACD indicator. So if let's say September is going to be a red month, at the same time, MACD started increasing, sabihin din natin yung RSI natin started increasing within the month of September kahit nag-decline siya further sa ating price action. So if let's say ang nangyari is price is declining, RSI is increasing, MACD is also increasing, then that is actually going to be an ideal scenario for us to actually take advantage and for us to invest within the long term kasi we all know na declining price with an increasing RSI or increasing MACD is a signal of a bullish trend reversal. So in this case, this could actually be a very good opportunity. With that being said, the next question na tinatanong ng karamihan is, when is the best time to invest within the crypto market or specifically Bitcoin? So, let's go back to our Bitcoin returns chart. So as you can see, meron tayo iba't ibang color dito sa chart. As you can see, we actually have a bar chart na color green and color yellow and color red. And then kinalasify ko actually yung colors na yan depending on the average profit and loss chart. If yung return na makukuha natin is above 10% within that specific month, then we are going to color that specific bar as color green. Pero if less than 10%, then we are going to color it yellow. Pero if less than 0, then we are going to color that color red. In this case, as you can see, we have actually plotted different areas dito na nag-change from yellow to green. As you can see, meron tayo dyan yellow to green between January to February. You also have yellow to green between June to July. You also have August to September and October, which is yellow, red, green. Yung shift niya between yellow to green, that would indicate na that is actually one of the best time to enter. And then ito naman yung opposite nun, yung shift niya between green to yellow, that is going to indicate na that is going to be a best time to take profit. So in that case, ano ba yung magiging itsura ng ating chart? It would actually look like this. As you can see, if you're going to determine the best buying time within the whole year, the best buying time would actually be between January and February. That would be the best time to enter the crypto market. And then the best time to take profit once you enter January to February would be around April, May, or June. In that case, best time to take profit is between the months of April, May, and June. And then, as you can see, based from the historical data, meron din tayo another buying opportunity, and that is between the months of June, July, August, and September, kasi those are more likely the time na bagsak yung crypto market. And then that would be actually a potential investment opportunity for the long term. And then as you can see, going back to the chart, the best time to take profit is between the month of November to December, basing from the historical chart. Now, let's try to correlate this data with the logarithmic growth curve by looking at the data itself. So as you can see, let's try to look at our logarithmic growth curve. Let's try to look back in time if talaga nagko-correlate siya dun sa ating ginawang data. And as you can see dito sa ating month na to, if you actually invested Bitcoin between the months of July, August, September 2015, that would indicate na nagkaroon ka na ng profits of at least 100% na kaagad. Let's also try to look into the year 2020. Let's see. Month of September, if you actually invested between the month of September at nag-take profit ka around December, you can actually see na kumita ka rin around 167% din kaagad. Let's try to look at this. Again, the month of September ng 2021, you invested around that area, then nag-take profit ka around November, December, you would actually see na nakakuha ka ng profit of at least 65%. So right now, that is going to indicate na the best time to invest within the crypto market is actually the month of September. And then, yung average buying period natin, yung average buying opportunity natin would be around between the months of June, July, August, and September. So kung ako tatanungin nyo, when is the best time to buy Bitcoin? I would personally answer between the month of June, July, August, and September. But for me, yung pinakang optimal buying period would be the month of September. Now, take note, data models can be wrong, but at least it can give us an idea on what can we expect for the coming weeks to come. So ayun guys, hopefully may natutunan kayo sa ating video for today. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.